What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something that I have been wanting a little bit over a year now. So I did want this last year around the Christmas holidays. Oh, and I also forgot, Happy New Year's, everyone. This is my official first product review of 2024. All the stuff y'all been seeing has been recorded in 2023, and I still have like 20 more videos from 2023. Anyways, but I am back. We are off vacation and we are back and working, and this is a big purchase. Right here, we have a DEWALT heater, all right? And it's not just any heater. This is a kerosene heater, and it's not just a kerosene heater, but it's also a forced air heater. You can see it all right here. This thing also operates by battery. Yes, I said it. It operates by battery, and it operates with cord. Right here it says corded or cordless. Perfect. Now, I did want to get this last year, like I said, but guess what? This thing was selling like crazy. As y'all know, or as y'all should know, I got this from Lowe's. Anything I review from Lowe's or any tool that I review from any major company is not a why my mind go blank? It is not a sponsor. Any tool or any product that I get from any tool company or Lowe's, it is not sponsored, you guys. I am not getting paid to sell you this product. I like working in the garage and I like being warm. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, you guys. And before I get into cutting this box open, I just want to let you know that I did go to my local gas station and try to get some kerosene, and unfortunately they ran out of kerosene. So I'm gonna go to another I'm gonna go to another gas station that sells kerosene, another one that I know of. If you try to type it in Google, for some reason Google search all types of other things. I have a 2.5 gallon of 1K heater fuel. I tried to avoid buying this fuel. That's blah, blah, blah. As a matter of fact, I'll talk to y'all about that later. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I know y'all can't even see me. This is probably one of the biggest reviews. Wow. This is gonna be huge. Ooh, this bad boy is big. All right. Let me flip it upside down and then try to lift it up. This is for the people. Oh, wait a second. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this thing looks good. Wow, you guys. This thing is huge. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Okay. All right. There is a handle in here. There's a wire right here on this handle. Very interesting. Why a wire on the handle? I don't know yet. Then we have the moment you all been waiting for. Well, at least me. The moment that I have been waiting for. Okay. Woo! This is big, you guys. Wow. Ugh. Now, it's not like super heavy or nothing. This is insane. Right now, my father-in-law is changing his transmission in my garage. He's changing the transmission on his Ford Ranger, and this will definitely help him be comfortable in the garage. All right, so I have a lot of reading to do. I'm not gonna add no kerosene in here yet. Y'all might have to give me a week. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give y'all a little quick close-up to this. And yeah, there goes your digital display. There goes your power cord right there. Hook up your extension cord. And up here is where you hook up your two 20-volt batteries. And then it's right there, DEWALT 20-volt 90000 BTU, full and then empty. So you have full right there, you have empty right there on that side. You have here your tank, you guys, right there, blower. So you know definitely not to touch this when it is on. Whoa, what do we have here? Kerosene? What's going on here? That's kerosene fuel. That's a fuel. Is this used? I know they ain't selling no used one. This is fuel in here, you guys. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not using this. Then it looked like this has been used, you guys. Oh no, 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 no. This gotta go back. This gotta go back, but I am gonna use it though. I am definitely not putting kerosene in here because I don't know what anybody else put in here. Hopefully I didn't get none on my counter or anywhere. Let me go ahead. I wanna just put this in the garage. I wanna test out the forced air. So I see fingerprints here. And then I see like fingerprints there. So it looked like somebody already used this. Whoever was working in their garage, they probably just returned it. That is not my intentions because I actually bought a warranty. Yes, you guys, I bought a Lowe's protection warranty. Lowe's will never sell nothing. If you have like anything with kerosene, they will never sell you something that's, you know, like used or something like this with kerosene, because you don't know whether they put kerosene in it or did they put you know, some people might accidentally put gasoline or something. So you can't trust no one, you guys. Always when you buy something like this, make sure that that is clean. So all right, you guys, have you ever been so mad and happy at the same time? Like you're so happy that the product is here. Like you're so happy that you have the machine, but you're so mad that when you go back to return it, like you don't know how to react. Like, all right, you guys. Anyways, I did want to use this because my father-in-law, Ford Ranger right there, he is changing his transmission. Him and my dad went to the junkyard and took off a transmission, which is right here. So they took this transmission off in the rain. Unfortunately, I was at work. I would have helped them out, but right there you go. All right. So they took the transmission out, and if it don't work, you don't really lose that much, but what, a couple $100. I think it's better than, you know, paying like $3,000 for a new transmission. He's working on that. It's in the cold. It's cold in here. So I work on my cars. I wanted this since last year. We finally got it. But the thing is, there was kerosene in it already, or at least I think kerosene. So if you could see it, I believe it came out when I lifted upside down. The person that returned this put it in, like, the packaging is everything. It's like original. Like, he put the foam on there, very nice. And you would think like it came straight from the manufacturer. But the person that returned this was very clever, you guys, very clever. Now, I do have two 20-volt batteries, but they are not from DEWALT. They are actually from, I think my father-in-law bought them from eBay a long time ago. So these are 8 amp 20 volts, and it does fit in DEWALT, one right there. And then we have one right here. Right, you guys, we have our 2 batteries right here. I am returning this just to let y'all know. I purchased this for $350, you guys. $350. That's the same price it was last year. So the price never changed on this. So one battery in, another battery in. I'm going to hit the power. Power came right on. Oh, wow. Wait. All right, so we have a digital display right here. You can turn it down. I want to change the mode. Let me see. It says max, eco. It's a countdown when you hit the power. It's counting down. Right now, I don't feel no heat coming out. Maybe because the fuel is not in there. I am not sure yet. This thing is pretty loud. This is like my second type of kerosene heater. I never had a kerosene heater like this one. I went to this page right here and they have all these error codes. So now it's not cutting on. Okay. Somebody returned this. Now I understand. All right, you guys. So somebody used this thing. They probably used it improperly and returned it. So I am going to do the same thing. The E3 is coming on, and they even say on here, high limit switch error. So somebody returned it and probably didn't have a warranty. That is why we purchase a warranty on this thing. So that's why I purchase a warranty, because I know if I get something like this that is expensive and it breaks, you basically have to have the headache on the manufacturer. You usually have to pay shipping and all that stuff. So that's why I bought an extended warranty. So what I'm going to do is return this back to Lowe's, try to get my life right, get through this headache of today. All right, you guys. So as far as this DEWALT goes, I am not mad no more. Okay, you guys, I am not mad. I had to sit down for like 2 hours, but I was mad earlier because, you know, when you have something that you really, really wanted for so long and it's finally in your possession and it's just, you know, too much chaos, somebody obviously returned it and stuff like that, you get a little upset because this was going to be a lifetime tool for me. Okay, this thing was going to be the Garage Warrior. So with that being said, we're just going to scrap this one. I'm going to return it just for the simple fact on I should have did a little research. So this kerosene heater is not made from DEWALT, or basically it's not engineered from DEWALT. DEWALT actually have somebody else make this kerosene heater, and all they did was just put their name on it, just like Toyota Supra, which is a BMW engine, but Toyota say, we just want you to make the engine, but we want our symbol on there. And it's like, what's the point? Okay. So with that being said, this is not really a DEWALT tool. So, I mean, it's DEWALT, but not really DEWALT. So people are having the same issue. Y'all know that E3 code. So if you go on Lowe's website, and I will link this in the description so y'all can go and check it out for yourselves. But if y'all go look at the reviews, people are actually talking about they having issues with the E3 and the E4. So it's a lot of bad reviews on there. Not really a lot, but it's basically the bad reviews and the good reviews are basically matching up with each other. So I'm pretty sure that there is a big issue with the E3 and E4, because obviously we have an issue with the E3 and E4, and I'm pretty sure many more people are doing the same thing as the previous owners of this one. So with that being said, I am not even going to mess with this one no more. So I am just going to get the regular kerosene heater, the one that I'm used to, the donut one, not the donut, the tower one. You know, it's either black or white, the tower one, everyone sells it. So right now they have that one, the Dyno kerosene heater. I believe Lowe's has it, Home Depot, Walmart. The cheapest one is at Walmart, but they're out of stock. The one at Lowe's is like $170 something. And the one at Home Depot is like $143 or $144 with a $20 2-year warranty, which is the best deal because the one at Walmart is $140. So we are going to go with the one that's $140, well, $144, which is at Home Depot, and it's $20. So while I return this at Lowe's, I could go to across the street and get the regular one from Home Depot. So with that being said, be on the lookout for the one from Home Depot. And thank y'all for bearing with me through this whole crazy morning. All right. So with that being said, stay tuned to the next review, which should be the kerosene heater. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.